Welcome to dptutorials. In today's video, we are going to explore some handy Excel chart tricks that will help you create and manipulate charts like a pro. Trick 1. Shortcut to create Excel chart. Select the data range you want to chart. Press Alt plus F1, which is the shortcut. That's it. Excel will automatically create a chart based on your selected data. This handy shortcut saves your time and eliminates the need to navigate through the ribbon to create a chart. Trick 2. Add new data to existing chart. So you have created a chart, but now you need to add new data to it. No problem. Here's how to do it seamlessly. Select the chart you want to update. Select the new data range, that is E4 to E11. Copy. Go to the chart and simply paste it. You will see that the Excel automatically updated the chart with the new data as a new series. With this trick, you can easily keep your charts up to date. Trick 3. Expand the chart range automatically. Have you ever wished your chart would automatically expand to include new data? Let us see how. If you simply add new row under this table with some data like this, you will not see that the chart automatically updating. Instead, erase this. What I will do is convert this data range into a table. Select B4 to C11 and press Ctrl plus T. Click OK to create this as table with headers. Now, when I enter the values in B12 and C12 and press enter, we will notice that the chart range automatically expanding like this. Got it? Trick 4. Paste special in charts. Sometimes you want to apply the formatting of the chart to the unformatted chart. To do that, select the formatted chart and press Ctrl C to copy. Go to the unformatted chart and go to Paste Special in the Home tab and select Format and click OK. You will see that the format has been applied to this chart exactly the same. And there you have it. With these Excel chart tricks, you can create, update and customize your charts with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And be sure to let us know in the comments which trick was your favorite or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.